bumps visible. And it just snowed last night, so you can see the snow-capped mountains. Beautiful, isn't it? Come on, Mrs. Moo Moo, time for your milking. Mrs. Moo Moo, time for your milking. Look at that. Fresh, unpolluted air in New Zealand, Canterbury region of New Zealand. Amazing. How many countries in the world can give you this kind of pristine environment? Untouched, unpolluted environment. What I do now is I make zigzag patterns to muster them to the gate so that they walk the laneway, and the shed is right up there. Come on, Mrs. Moo Moo. Time for your milking, come on. Laters.